Let's discuss user profiles. This is Ray, your SM2 superfan. As you know, managing a fleet of vehicles also entails managing the people using those vehicles. So your fleet management system needs to be able to handle that beyond the very basics like name and employee number. You should be able to build a full profile for each user, including which department, cost center, or group they belong to, what they can and cannot do in the software, what fueling privileges they have, and so on. On the user's end, they should be able to have the access and privileges they need to do their job without needing to contact an admin every day. And you need to have data and reports generated in a way that details what each user or groups of users have been up to, be it in terms of taking fuel, what they've been doing on the road, what maintenance work they've been involved in, and so on. So without further ado, let's show and tell. Let's select a user here. This looks like a cool guy. Here we have the general info section, number, name, language. At this point, the software is trilingual with English, Spanish, and French as the language options. Each user can be assigned to a department, a cost center, and any other group you may have defined within the company. Basic contact info is in this section. And if all this isn't enough, you can have up to 5 custom fields. Here is where you define the user's software privileges. You can add an expiry date if you want the access to be temporary. Here you can either give very general, high-level permissions based on sites, departments, and software modules, or drill deep down and get very granular in your access control. So for instance, you can say I want this person to be able to edit and print existing work orders, but not create new ones, and I don't want him to close existing ones. This next section allows you to configure this user's fueling and access privileges. So this is where you assign cards and key fobs and pins they'll be able to input at the fuel island terminal and the readers at gates and doors. If this person is involved in maintenance, you can define what type of labor they provide, which determines the hourly rate and becomes part of maintenance costs. And if you like to put faces to names, you can always add images to any user profile. User management is a breeze with the SM2 platform, and given how integrated this application is, you get a very extended picture of what each user has been up to, be it in terms of fueling, maintenance, current and past activity in the field, and where they've been and when. If you'd like to learn more, contact us today. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep it efficient.